The National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) played a significant role in the Best Bakery case, a landmark case related to the 2002 Gujarat riots. The NHRC intervened after a Vadodara court acquitted all 21 accused due to witnesses turning hostile, deeming it a miscarriage of justice. The NHRC filed a petition with the Supreme Court, leading to a retrial of the case in Mumbai. Background 1. The Best Bakery, located in Vadodara, was attacked by a mob on March 1, 2002, during the post-Godhra riots, resulting in the death of 14 people. 2. The initial trial in Vadodara saw all 21 accused acquitted, with witnesses later claiming they were pressured to change their testimonies. And 3. The NHRC, along with other human rights organizations and activists, strongly criticized the acquittal and demanded a retrial. NHRC's role. 1. The NHRC filed a petition with the Supreme Court, highlighting the miscarriage of justice and calling for a retrial. 2. The Commission argued that the initial trial was flawed, with evidence tampered with and witnesses intimidated. 3. The NHRC's intervention was crucial in convincing the Supreme Court to order a retrial in Mumbai. And 4. The NHRC also raised concerns about witness protection, which was a significant issue in the case. Impact. 1. The Supreme Court's decision to transfer the case to Mumbai marked a significant victory for the NHRC in the pursuit of justice in the Best Bakery case. 2. The case brought attention to the importance of witness protection and led to the drafting of India's Witness Protection Scheme. And 3. The Best Bakery case remains a crucial example of the NHRC's role in upholding human rights and ensuring accountability in cases of communal violence. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.